In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify to link your bank account so you can receive payouts smoothly. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, which is the main control center of your store. From there, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings to open all configuration options. Inside Settings, find and click on Payments, where you manage how you receive money from customers. Now, instead of choosing manual payment methods, make sure you activate Shopify Payments if it's available in your country, because this is what allows direct payouts to your bank account. Once you enable it, click on Set up Shopify Payments, and you'll be asked to enter your personal and business details, followed by your bank account information such as account holder name, account number, and other required details. Carefully enter everything to avoid any payment issues. After completing the setup, save your changes, and Shopify will verify your details. Once approved, your earnings will automatically be transferred to your bank account based on your payout schedule. That's it. Your store is now ready to receive payments directly without any hassle, helping you manage your earnings more efficiently and professionally. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.